guys, it's Jeannie here and welcome to another video of mine here up in Valentine's month. So I'm super excited about this month. As you guys can see, I'm making a lot of videos, making a lot of content because I believe like love needs to be shared right now and people need it now more than ever, you know? So for today's shoot, I thought it would be super fun to make 3 Valentine's looks and take some cool pictures for Instagram. So you guys can come and follow me along. And if you want to see me edit the pictures later on, please stick through the video. I'm gonna film the whole thing on my phone so you can check out the live action. And then yeah, you can see what I do behind the scenes a little bit today. Alright, so look 1, we're thinking about making a little bit a darky mood. Look 2, we're gonna do a little more red, romantic Valentine's look. And the 3rd look we're gonna do is like a little white, like flowery, soft, cute look. So stick around for all of those looks and I will see you on the other side. Okay, hey guys, so we're ready and we've got all our tools. We're gonna use a toilet paper roll, scissors and tape, and we're gonna turn the phone around and I'm gonna put on the flash and let's get going. Let's see how this goes. I have no idea how this can go. Yeah, but we're gonna find out today if this works. Okay, we're gonna put it on timer. We're gonna turn more lights off now to make this room look a little bit darker. Okay, as you guys can see, it's instantly more moody. Let's see. Okay, kind of like something like that. Let's move this a little bit up. Okay, so I've changed in our outfit. It's a little moody, it's a little sultry, so let's see how this goes. All right. So I just keep on taking so many pictures. The lighting is good. Okay, we're gonna take a smiley one.
Not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay guys, that was the first look. Let's go do the second look. What's up guys? So welcome to look 2. I am so ready and I put my hair up in a bun. So I decided to just play around with like red lighting and red glasses. I have red lips, so yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, here we go. Ooh, you guys see that? That was so cool. Okay, so we have the red now. Okay, let's see. This looks really cool. See? Okay, so this is like gonna be this type of vibes. Okay guys, before we start taking pictures, I'm gonna flip the camera in portrait so the photos look a little better. Alright, here we are. Are you guys ready? We have a timer on. Okay. Okay. Okay guys, so you can see half of my face is red and the other half is just lit up with like a little light, just lighting the background as well. Okay. I'm just vibing with the camera, you know? I think that's the best pictures. Throw a little streamer. I don't know. Do something cool with it. For look 2, guys. Let me go and change into look 3 and let's see what I look like. Hey guys, so now we're gonna do look 3. This is a very white and pure look, and let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I think that was it. We had so much fun. I had so much fun while doing this shoot, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video with the 3 looks that we did, and I hope you have a fabulous Valentine's Day and a Valentine's month, and I'm sharing lots of love. Bye bye.